Previously on the Grilosodes, Grillo went raceboarding. Super cool! Super cool!
So basically we started to plan the third episode, and we wanted to go to Austria, to Absolut Park, and then I called the guys from Red Bull and told them we're gonna go there and just shred like easy style, and that they were like, yeah, we're gonna send the Phantom, and I was like, all right, so that's awesome. The Phantom camera is a camera that films 50 times slower than what we see in real life, and we just wanted to use it as much as we can combined with snowboarding. The next day we drove to Absolut Park. It's 9 in the morning. We're shooting day 1. It's still a bit snowing. Hopefully the sun comes out. We had bad weather for the whole day. We were tried something in the morning. We went to the lodge, we waited, and then at the end of the day everybody was really kind of bummed, and we just went and skated. Really bummed because we had the camera, we had the crew, the jump, but we lost the day, so it was really bumming, and we only had one more, and I wasn't sure if it's gonna happen, so definitely went to bed pretty nervous.
Next time on the Grilosodes, dog be flippin', babies be poppin'.